Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. I hope you guys enjoyed that short little video of making a scribe from a pitchfork tine, if you will. As you can see, there's a lot of scribes I could make out of that pitchfork along with other tooling. I just wanted to really quick say that this came in from a viewer question about whether I could be able to take and make anything else, given that the fact that pitchforks are indeed high carbon steel, and if there's any other things that you could make. Yeah, there definitely is. You can make scribes. That's one great thing. You can make different engraving chisels, things like that, small punches, drifts. They make really great little small oval drifts, because a lot of people think that pitchfork tines are just round. They're not. They're actually an oval shape to them. They have an oval shape to them, so they can be great little oval drifts and things like that for small metalworking projects that you may or may not have, say miniature hammers or something of that nature. A great use for them there. So real quick, I just want to touch on this. I didn't show heat treatment in this video. I did, however, heat treat this bit of tool steel here from the pitchfork tine. Very simple. Brought it up to critical. I quenched it in oil outside the shop, hence not a video around the actual heat treatment, me quenching this tool. As it being in oil, I like all the smokes and potential fire danger to be outside my shop versus inside my shop. So I didn't get around to doing that, but just follow a basic heat treatment method for this, and it works out great. Now, longevity of these will be based upon how well you heat treat them, and how much when you sharpen them, you resharpen them. If you take them to a belt grinder or something like that, if you take them to a belt grinder, there's a chance of always bluing that fine tip. So you can get the initial bevel started like you should already have, but it would be my suggestion to sharpen them up on, say, a honing stone or something like that. Something very low abrasion, low friction, so this way you don't overheat that really thin tip if you want a really nice scribe. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to support content like this and help us, Jessica and I, produce more videos like this, always check out our website over at blacksmithpdfs.com. That's it. God bless. We'll catch you on the next one.